Hello, everybody. It is Matthew Parrish, and welcome back to Dumb Ways to Die. Let's get started. Alright, so I got something to show you. I'm gonna die. So you can make your own custom character, and when you lose a life, make them die in a funny way. In my case, I just make the person vomit. Because as we all know, vomit, farts, those are funny. Alright, get that mustard. Yummy. Alright, spin the wheels. Follow the arrows, so stop the wheels from spinning. How many times I gotta tell you darn kids, you don't skateboard here? Dude. Ain't no piranha gonna eat my junk tonight. Nope. Yay! Patience is a virtue. Patience. Yeah, please don't drive around that thing. It's there for a reason. Oh, speaking of vomit. Now, you gotta be careful with this one, because sometimes I accidentally click off the game. Alright, all you guys need to back up. You need to back this bus up. Nice weather we're having. You're not gonna die this time. Whew, that was close. Can someone clean that vomit up? Everest. Alright. Now, in the music video, this guy dies because he eats expired medication. In this game, it's because he drinks the wrong amount. So, which is it? The wrong amount, or is it expired? Or is it both? Now, this one's really the easiest. Like, look, I'll take my sweet time. Look at that. Tiny bonus. Come on, guys. Stay away from the edge. It's like I'm babysitting a 5-year-old. Oh, guy, what'd you do? I told you not to get those payday loans. You just didn't listen to me. Freedom! You like balloons? You like popcorn, Georgie? It goes boop, boop, boop. It goes boop. Alright, we got the medicine again. Hey, I grew hair. Bad luck? Don't just take points from me. What a jerk. Avoid the cones. Yes, I'm going to call them cones. I am not saying pylon. That's a stupid word. You know what? The word pylon is banned from this channel. If you go in the comments and you say pylon, I'm just going to delete that comment. There will be no pylons. Everybody say it with me. No pylons. It's called a cone. It's a pyramid with a square base. It's a cone. Pylon all fancy. And why is there mustard? Where's the ketchup? Where's the relish? Joink, joink, joink. 1, 2, 3. Just like eating Skittles. You know, it's basic human nature. If there's a sign that tells you not to do something, of course they're going to do it. So they need to do like reverse psychology. They should encourage you to skateboard there. Avoid the cones. Alright, avoiding the cones. Avoiding the cones. Depending on where you live, it could actually be the state flower. Alright, you want the panda. I was too slow. Wow, 2 pukes in a row. Must be a sign. Yay, I just cleaned up vomit. Zip, zap, zup. Yeah, please don't eat glue. It's not milk. Again? Why are we getting this one so much? Alright, fast. Go, go. Oh, just in time. No, I'm sorry, sir. Alright, hold on. That guy still hasn't cleaned the puke off his mouth? You go in public like that? Who taught you to live? Well, I am special indeed. Alright, tiptoeing. Tiptoe. And get some ice cream. Why not? I wonder if this app store has Angry Birds. Oop, crosswalk. Ooh, just barely made that. Will these guys ever learn? And why are we saving these guys? Shouldn't we let these guys die? You know, like natural selection? So we don't just keep breeding idiots? And on this one, even when the helmet is close, it seems like when you tilt the phone, he goes really slow. So it's hard to control him. Oh, hallelujah. Alright, like the skateboard one, but easier because there's only one. Down. Ooh, a present. Well, I'm not really surprised. Hot potato. Hot jambalaya. Wait, that American flag didn't have 50 stars. Had like 9. Now with this plain one, you really got to be careful. Because sometimes it'll start you unexpectedly and it'll just fall to the ground and die. Alright, speaking of falling to the ground and dying, don't let this guy die. Alright, that wheel stopped. Alright, like, they give you just barely enough time for that one. I won't press it. I won't. I will not. Roy G. Bibb. Man, I told you gotta stop reading those ads. This guy's stupid. He just swung the bat blindly. Dude. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. That only has 9. That only has 9 stars. That's not even 13. That's not even the original colonies. You're missing, like, a lot of states there. Oh, my thumb slipped. I almost died. Alright, we're about 1,000 away from my high score. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so close. I almost pooped. Alright, I'm not gonna press it. Not gonna press it. Hallelujah. Peace on earth. Alright, this is pretty easy. Just hold on. Wait, where's his phone? The one time you need your phone to know what stop to get off at and you don't have it. What? Oh, man. Man, they're giving me this one a bunch. If I see you skateboard one more time, I'm going to throw you in those tracks myself. Hoo-yah. Hoo-yah. What you got? Hoo-yah. What you got? Who's your daddy? Tiny bonus. Keeping it airborne, keeping it airborne, keeping it airborne, keeping it airborne. Doing it well. Ding. Oh, it's on fire. Oh, I'm fine. Remember, if you're going to do this, you need to unplug the toaster before you do that. It will electrocute you if you do not unplug the toaster. I am very serious. Ah, get it away, get it away. Okay, I gotta concentrate. P. Oh, God. Oh, just barely. What's your hurry? Here's your hat. What's your hurry? Ooh, what? Natural gas prices rose 4%? No way. Why is this guy always on fire? First, he lights a firework, then he sets his hair on fire. What's wrong with this guy? And how does this guy keep getting himself in this situation? Just get on the straight and narrow, buddy. Alright, we have officially beaten my high score. Oh, God, I spun the wrong way. No! I spun the wrong way like a dumb butt. Unlocked a new minigame, Power Chord. Wow, we got nearly 7,000 points. Let's go one more time. Slip, slope, slap. What? Oh. Well, don't go so close to the water, you dummy. Oh, it's like Among Us. You gotta do the wires. Hey, bro, I was just fixing the wires. I'm not sus. Yeah, look, it's only 9 stars. It's not historically accurate. And that's not sanitary. Quit eating expired food. Don't you know, like, Pizza Hut delivers? Don't you know how many good food there is? And can't you just fly higher than the cacti? I mean, cacti are tall, but surely a plane can fly over it. Alright, let's get to 7,000 again. This guy is on fire. Oh, God, this guy. You know what? Just let him die. He's had plenty of warnings. And he's really asking for it at this point. Alright, here, let's just see what happens when we get it wrong. Yeah, about what I expected. Oh, God, get it away, get it away, get it away. God, I hate bugs. Avoid the cone. Not today, sir. How's your sister? So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you're not being dumb like these people. Get the mustard. Wow, first try. That was flawless. Well, what'd you think was gonna happen? You know what this reminds me of? America's Funniest Videos. Like this person's... Whoa, I messed that up. Accidentally knocked it down instead of up. But like they stack like 3 milk cartons on top of each other and they stand on it. It's like, oh, I wonder what... Are they going to fall? Oh my. Like once you've seen one, you've seen them all. Ice cream, was that really the only ice cream you could find? You couldn't go to like the Piggly Wiggly? Oh god, get away. You couldn't go to the Piggly Wiggly and get some ice cream? Did you not have any money? Okay, let's spin the right way this time. Yeah, sometimes it's kind of hard to tell. You need like an extra second to tell where he's spinning. Alright, blue. There we go. Task complete. Alright, no psycho. Ooh, just in time. Sometimes I wait till the last second to look through the peephole. Now, with these guys, they're always in the same place, but with the pink guys that are like on the edge of the train station, they could be in different positions, but the guys on the mountain will always be the same. There we go. Okay, that one has 12. That one had 12 stars, so we're getting closer. P-A-T... I really want to press that. So it went from 9 stars to 12 stars, so we're getting closer. I wouldn't brag about it, though. One life. Oh, God, I hate this one. No, oh, we're dead. We're dead. I died. I'm dead. He must have watched The Exorcist. Well, I think that's the end of these people and of this video. So, as usual, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I'm gonna eat some macaroni and drink some Coca-Cola. Not sponsored. But yeah, I'm gonna eat and drink that. Bye.